Good morning, beauty babes. Welcome back to my channel. And I've been gone for a while, not a long time, but like a while. I have not been following my schedule, but that's okay because I was doing me. But anyway, y'all, I went on Instagram and I did a poll, and I'm like, oh, what should I do, a prom and stuff like that? And then you guys were like, prom, makeup look. So this is what I'm gonna show you guys, how to get this beautiful look. So if you want to know and glam up for prom, keep on watching. But if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below what I should do next. And let's just get into this glam because I'm feeling myself. So guys, I did my eyebrows like I always do. This is the palette I'm gonna be using. It's from Clothe Cosmetics, which I've really never heard of, but like I think they're just a small business. And so yeah, they have like really beautiful shades. So I was like, why not go for, can y'all hear guys, my house? Oh, so y'all, I'm gonna start with like a brown, like this shade right here. The pigment in this palette is so good. I love it. Now I'm going with that darkest shade right here. Yeah, this one. Okay guys, so let's catch up a little bit. Like I don't want to just sit here and do my makeup and not talk to y'all. I mean I've done that before, but it's just like I don't want to do that today. Let's see, what can I talk about? Oh, and like thank you so much to all the new subscribers. I really appreciate y'all. I really like that you guys subscribe to my channel, and like I cannot thank you guys enough. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you so much. Like I am so happy. You guys have no idea. Being a YouTuber is really not easy, especially like being a senior and trying to keep up with YouTube. It's really have not been easy for me at all, but like as you guys know, I have a schedule and I try to keep up with it, but like it's been really hard for me to do because of school and trying to keep up with my schoolwork. With all that, I'm gonna use this, I'm gonna blend this and this shade together so I can get like a darkish color. Yeah, so like it's really hard for me to do YouTube and keep up with my schoolwork and my Instagram account, and like it's a hard work, y'all. I also asked if you like on my Instagram if you guys wanted high school advice and stuff like that. I am going, like once I graduate, like once I'm out of school, I'm going to do like my experience and stuff like that video about high school, especially being a senior. And I'm so excited for that. I feel like a lot of kids think high school is a joke. It's really not a joke. I'm going to use it's the Tarte Shape Concealer, and this is, I don't know the color, but I got this. My nose ring keep like freaking bugging me. I got this in a Ipsy Glam bag, so that's why it's so small. I want to buy the bigger one, but I'm kind of sister broke. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut the crease. Then I'm going to use the shimmer shade right here. So yeah, I'm gonna do the other eyes and I'll be right back. I'm back and I feel good, like, oh. So let's move on to face, y'all, shall we? I am starting to really love this moisturizer and it's so good, y'all. When you use it, it's so fancy. Look at that. It's like so fancy. Yeah, and you don't need a lot. I use it like just to, I have really dry skin when it comes to winter, so I use it a lot just to like moisturize my face. So, and it smells so good. I really hope you guys like this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment down below, and if you are going to prom this year, let me know too, because I am really excited for prom and I cannot wait to go. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye, pretty babes.